Okay, I told you that I was going to do the next video of me actually building a server. So this is one of my Proxmox servers that I created, and I want to make a domain controller. So that's what this one's going to be. So we need to somehow figure out how to find the ISO file. And where are we going to find that? Okay, so general, it's a home lab, resource, pool, okay. Okay. Windows server, sure. ISO image. Nowhere to be found. How am I going to get this image on here? Okay, 1 second. Let me figure this part out. Okay, I'm back. So, I decided to upload one of the ISOs because I need to change my gateway because of that little situation we had earlier with the Wi-Fi and the network. And for some reason now, I need to go back and change all my gateways because my gateway is no longer the right one. My gateway is now a firewall and nothing can talk outside. So this is going to be a while before I can actually get this all working again. Ah, shit. We figured it out. So I added my Windows Server 2012 there. Graphics card, we're going to do default. Machine, don't know what that means. Don't really know what. I kind of know what that means. Okay. TPM storage. Okay. 50 gigs. Okay. Bandwidth. We're good. Two cores. I don't even know how much RAM is in this damn machine. Oh, I feel like this is going to be pretty bad. Let's just do 2000. That's going to be terrible. Fuck it, let's do it. Let's start it. We're going to see what happens here. Okay. 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 What the hell is plugged into this thing? Okay. That is not what's supposed to be happening. Oh, this is what's supposed to be happening. Holy shit, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We're giving a data center license. Fuck. No, we'll do this. We don't need a data center. Let's do it. Love me, love me. Man, I cannot believe. Yes, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have built a server, one of our VMs, finally. We're progressing in this build.